Okay, I call this the ABC false cut. I apologize. I originally had 1, 2, 3 on these packets because I use them for other things. So I've just temporarily put the letters on. For me, it seems to be easier to remember this by way of letters. Okay, so what you really all you have to do is just remember ABC, of course. Those are in the order they fall in the alphabet. And then remember the word cab, like a taxi cab. Okay, that's all you need to remember. So here, let's go ahead and just stack these. So let's say you have, a packet, and you want to break it up into thirds, and then supposedly randomize those thirds. So what you do is you just picture them right now as in this order, A, B, C. So you're going to be cutting off kind of randomly chosen chunks, right? 3 of them though, 3. And you try to choose about equal size if you can, but it actually doesn't matter. Okay, so the top bit that you'll take off is A, then B, then C. So in your mind's eye, you're seeing this. And now all you have to do is spell cab with these, okay, but using the assignments, right, for the letters. And then we'll undo the spelling of cab, okay? So here, cab, so think C, A, B, so I put A in the middle, B over here, C over here, okay? And now I just need to undo this. I want to get back to A, B, C. So you would just put A on B, and then these 2 on top of C. And now if you do this, not too quickly, but if you do it fairly quickly, it really looks like you're mixing those packets, at least the order of the packets, okay? And no one will be able to follow the order of those packets quickly enough to know that, wait a second, you've just undone what you just did, okay? So if you can just remember ABC and then cab, like a taxi cab, this is a great little false triple cut. Another way to do it is to have the packet just sitting here, and you just go like this, and then you do a leapfrog all the way over here, just like that. And now you put A on B, and then you put those 2 on top of C. Okay, so that's another way that people will often do it. You just move that one over, and B, and now in your mind's eye, if you can see cab, you can see, okay, well, A is over here, so A needs to go on top of B, and then those 2 on top of C. Okay, so that really seems to be the easiest way to remember this false triple cut versus the numbers 1, 2, 3. They just, for some reason, they just don't stick. And it's probably because it's spelling a word that we're familiar with, an English word that we can kind of picture. And if you want to come up with additional mnemonics to help you remember this, certainly do that if you feel the need. So let's go ahead and just do it with real cards here. So remember, whatever you cut off, doesn't matter how much. So that's A, next little bit is B, and then the bottom bit is C. Okay, so C, in your mind's eye, cab. So A goes on top of B, B goes on top of C. And then I suppose if you want to get fancier, you can do a swing cut. So there's A, B, C, and now undo that. A goes on B, and then those 2 go on top of C. Okay? So there's a lot of ways to kind of get those cards down there. But if you just remember ABC and cab, you'll never go wrong.